friends, Claudia here again with you with a very easy and quick layout featuring just a handful of squares which I am putting down in a vertical way along the left side of the page. I choose yellows and blue for that because I love the color combo. It's one of the true and tried ones I always love to use over and over again because it's just so versatile and I like it, especially for a summer themed layout. So now before we continue this very quick layout, because you will see it comes together in a moment, I'm trying to add a little bit of color splatters. As you can see, I'm mixing together a few yellows there and also a few different blue shades, and then I just splatter them around. Yeah, some splashes are bigger than others, but that's fine. I'm going for the random look here, and as you will see in a minute, I will also add some blue color, which is done with the Lindy's Magicals, before I put down the cut file. So this is an exclusive cut file which comes with this beautiful kit. Another reason, to subscribe to that or to buy this kit, I backed it with one of the papers. It's the dotted paper, as you can see, and it says, excuse me, Everyday Adventures. Now I'm putting in the photo which I backed on another piece of paper. I think it's a gray one from the collection, and I'm sliding it underneath, and I also backed it with a piece of vellum which I did tear around, which I like to do for some added dimension. So now I flipped it around so you can better see how I'm going to add all these beautiful ephemera around the photo first before I go in other places to add those fun little things, little sayings, little flower ephemera. I love that, and I'm trying to really layer them up as best as I can. So now I'm bringing in some yellow on the top left corner, as you can see. Never mind the mess on top of the layout. So, and I'm just adding slow days, little, other ephemera, and I added something more on the right-hand corner, at the right-hand corner in yellow, and some little tags. I'll slide them under because I feel something is missing. And then here you can see I added a golden saying hour, a word from the sticker sheet, which comes also in the kit. And then I added some other ephemera too. And yeah, that's basically it, friends. I hope you enjoyed it, although it was very fast and very quick. Off camera, I did add a little bit of a wavy stencil, which you can see here. And that concludes the layout. I hope you liked it, and see you again soon. Bye-bye.